Oh, chicken. Get it! No. Now what? Jump! Jump! You can get this one. Abby, get that one. And then hang by it. Oh, boy, look at you. Do it again. Oh, boy. My poor child. Swing from it. Come on, we need to go home. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. A little bit further. Come on. 2 years old and she's already climbing high. Jeez, she's about as tall as I am right now. Woo, look at you. Thrill seeker.